In this tutorial I will show you how to develop a RAW file taken with an iPhone SE. I will use the transformation RAW develop. This transformation is designed to be used on camera RAW files immediately after they have been opened, and before any other transformations are performed. It can apply a camera and/or lens profile to the image as well as performing tonal adjustments, color adjustments and sharpening. Let's open a RAW file. Click on Transformation and then RAW Develop. There is no lens profile and camera profile available yet, so we go straight to Curve. The white balance is not optimal, so we choose to remove the color cast by clicking in an area with a neutral gray. Finally, a little sharpening. The perspective needs to be corrected a bit, and we choose Warp. In Transformation we select Geometry, and then Warp. What is Warp? This transformation lets you rotate, crop, perspective correct, stretch, and warp an image. It works by stretching the four corners of a warp region in the input image out to the four corners of the result image, distorting the interior of the image accordingly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want new tutorials.